So under the new rules, if I just wanted to take a quick little video in the market buying fish, everyone in the shot would have to be blurred out.
Yeah, but
See, normally I would start shooting this video with every hot girl that's walking by behind me, as if, right, it wasn't an issue. I mean, there were like 10 of them. But now the challenge is to shoot this video without any bystanders in the background of any shots. So we're rolling out of my favorite spot, craft beer spot, me and my bro tonight. And, you know, this was the challenge tonight. How do you shoot a video in Poblacion Makati where you have no bystanders in the background? Because there's a million people everywhere. Oh my God, I think I just caught that guy's face. I'm gonna have to blur that out. What a pain in the balls. Anyway, it's Poblacion Makati. If you want to see the real video, like no editing, no blurring, no nothing, all the, you know what I'm saying? Join the channel as a member, you see what I'm talking about. Again, a super challenge. Oh wait.
nothing.
A super challenge to shoot a video where there's no bystanders in the background. You only got opt-in, right? My girl, my bro. I mean, there's a couple patrons here, and we're in one of my favorite bars, Casablanca, right? You've got the pool table. Oh wait, we're supposed to play pool. I totally forgot.
One of the great things about this bar is that they have an acoustic live band. I can't really show them to you because I think they're considered bystanders.
All right, that last shot, I tried super hard to get no bystanders in the background, only my opt-in party crew. I don't know how I did, I'll have to review it, but like really, I am trying hard to make you a Manila video where you have nobody in the background. Oh wait, I just got them in the background. I'm gonna have to blur them out. Sorry, under the new rules. Oh, but I got the Kuyas. These guys are in. See, they already know who I am. Like, they're all good, right? I don't have to blur you out, right?
Yes, sir.
Good? Fucking awesome. Love these guys.
A shot like this would take so much time to selectively edit that I just have to blur the whole scene. Unless, of course, it's for members only. Going forward, I might be cutting shots like this out entirely, but I think it's important to show what's actually going on in the bar. I am always making introductions. Definitely want to make sure my channel members make a great connection. In the future, I guess I could ask the band to opt in. I mean, you'd figure they want a free plug. Sometimes just general conversation in the Philippines is just a little too racy for YouTube's sensitive advertiser approval guidelines.
Oh, look at that. No idea how good this smells. Like, this is hot out of the oven. Just standing next to this thing, I can feel the heat pumping out of it, man. And these, is this, it's just freshly baked. Smells so good, like you have no idea. And this is like straight up Philippines, and it's raining. Since I can't film anything with any people in the background, let's talk about the environment. I do not often talk about the standard of living here in the Philippines. For most people, it is a crushing economic environment. Just take a look. I don't know about you, but when you need to have like rocks and piecemeal tarps and tires and trash to hold your roof down, yeah, there's something that needs an upgrade there, and it probably has to start at the top. I don't know where to start. They wouldn't let me take my camera into Revel. Surprise! Well, yes, no, maybe so, but they let you take your cell phone in, and they have no problem with you shooting video on your cell phone. This is the island, by the way. Actually, the island's under renovation, but there's a new bar here in Uptown Parade, Medusa. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna go there tonight. We're blowing out Revel. Take a little bit of a look at Revel. Tonight was an insane night. Like, fucking typhoon. When it's a typhoon in Manila, when it's rainy season, it's next level shit. Blowing it out. Shadow Member Night is how we do it. These are the best nights. Metro Manila. Fucking boy. Yeah, we're gonna rock. Wait. I'm like, oh wait, these girls are hot. Jesus Christ. So tonight it was like a monsoon. Like it was so hard to get a ride, so hard to get taxis. Like my girl was supposed to be here at 11. It's 1:30. It literally took from 11 o'clock to 1:30 to get a taxi, and it took us. We didn't even get a taxi. Hour and 50 minutes trying to get a taxi. We ended up walking. Like waiting for it's raining. We're underneath the thing. Now it's not raining. Now we'll walk. Rainy season Manila, no joke. Anyway, it's Revel night. And don't get me wrong. I do the whole Royal. I do the whole octopus. I love all that shit. It's the best. Look at that. It's the best mingle hookup spots. Clubs like this. It's like every table's got a velvet rope. It's hard to mingle and all, but the girls are rolling to these clubs. Every girl. And we got the table right by the door, so we see all the girls rolling in, and we see all the girls rolling in the bathroom. Every fucking girl in this club night is super fine. Super fine.
Club Revel. It was a really fun night despite the fact that it was kind of like a monsoon outside. This is an upscale spot in the Uptown Parade here in Bonifacio, Global City. I would love to show you all around the club, but because of the new guidelines for public upload of videos in the Philippines, I can't. However, if you do want to check out the club and everything that's going on inside without any censorship or advertising, definitely join this channel as a member. Channel members get access to uncensored video with all the hot, crazy talk, all the girls, and no advertising every single week. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and definitely consider joining this channel as a member to see all the videos without any censorship or advertising every week here on the channel.